Today I congratulate KINGSON. Same battery, pack battery, big battery, chainsaw, LED, and pruner LED. And they can use the same battery. Right now we tested the chainsaw. It's very professional. Okay, here. Oh, go! Wow! Go! Wow! Very smooth. Okay, right now, go! Oh, go! Oh, go! Go! Very professional tools. Yeah! Wow, KINGSON. Okay, change the same battery, pruner, pack bag, professional tools for the pruner. Okay, take 2 times. Okay, LED show cutting times. And the finger protect. Okay, progressive. Okay, go. We tested the pruner, professional. It's very big pruner cut. Oh, very big. Okay, we should cut in the big cut. Very big. Okay. Wow, smooth. Okay. Very good pruner. Okay. Very good pruner. Okay. When you want to cut this one, it's too big. How you can cut? Then take out the pruner. KINGSON pruner. Take out. And KINGSON. And put in here. Okay. You can collect the chainsaw. Okay. Collect it. And in here is the trigger. Open. Okay. And you should cut. We test. How about the chainsaw? Test it. Okay. Wow, very smooth and very professional. Go! Wow, very smooth. This is the professional pruner and the chainsaw together. Okay.